Unlocking the Power of Inspire, a guide to understanding and using this empowering word. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very special topic to discuss, one that is not only important in understanding English but also in understanding the emotional power language can have. We are going to dive deep into the word inspire, exploring its meanings, uses, and the profound effect it can have on our communication. So, let's get started and unlock the power of inspire together. Inspire is a verb, and it has a variety of meanings, all of which revolve around the idea of stimulating or influencing someone in a positive way. When someone or something inspires you, it gives you new ideas, makes you feel excited, and encourages you to pursue your goals and dreams. Example 1. When I read about the achievements of famous scientists, I feel inspired to work harder in my studies. In this example, learning about the scientists' achievements stimulates the person to put more effort into their studies. Example 2. Her brave story of recovery inspired many people to donate to the cause. Here, the woman's story influences and encourages others to support the cause, showing the motivating power of inspiration. Inspire can be used in various contexts, and it's crucial to understand how to use it appropriately to enhance your English communication skills. Context 1. Personal development. This book has inspired me to start my own business. His dedication to fitness inspired me to join the gym. Context 2. Art and creativity. The beautiful scenery inspired the artist to paint. The musician was inspired by old jazz records. Context 3. Overcoming challenges. Her resilience in the face of adversity inspires everyone around her. He inspired his team to keep going, even when things got tough. Using inspire correctly can have a profound impact on your communication. It adds an emotional and motivational dimension to your words, helping you connect with others on a deeper level. Making a difference. By expressing how someone or something has inspired you, you're not only sharing your experience but also motivating others to find their sources of inspiration. Building connections. Talking about inspiration helps in building strong and positive connections with others, as it shows your appreciation and admiration. And that brings us to the end of our journey through the word inspire. We hope this video has helped illuminate the various ways this powerful word can be used and the profound impact it can have on your communication in English. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about expressing emotions, sharing experiences, and connecting with others. So go out there, find your inspiration, and share it with the world. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.